Hi everybody and welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at what we call submarines. I've got my wife with me here today who's going to give a few comments as well. Do you like submarines?
Yeah, of course. I always love it.
Okay, first we're going to use French stick. We like to use French sticks. You can use any bread you want. It doesn't really matter.
Well, and how you do that, just show me. And I really like it too.
The natural sit. Okay, that's where it sits naturally. Did you know that? Huh? When you're doing this, that's the top, okay?
Oh.
But if you put it like that, it's going to fall over.
Oh.
So you find it where it naturally fits, then you cut that top off.
Okay.
There, but you didn't know that one.
Yeah, I never thought of that way, you know.
Well, it's easy because if you don't put it right and you cut it and you try and put your cheese in there, then you put it on the tray, it falls over.
Yeah, that's the truth. But on this way, look at that, very nice.
See, once again, look, you try and put it like that, it's gonna, well, it will stay, but it'll fall over. There, it's stable over.
Nice.
There you go, you see.
Yeah, I love this. Is outside. Look at that. Actually, a lot of the sesame seeds.
And you've got to cut those little walls. If you don't make those little walls on the end, of course, when you goes in the oven, all your cheese, everything's going to run out on your tray. So make a little boat. That's what we call a submarine. We could call them boats, but we like to call them submarines.
And that's a nice name.
You see, cut that little wall on the end. Right. Cut right close to the edge when you can cut it.
Actually, pretty good
Yeah.
when I see you do that.
You don't want the bread inside. You want at least bread inside. So take it all out, take all you can out, and make a little sub.
Wow.
A bit of barbecue sauce, just spread it out, make it nice and even. You can use tomato paste, you can use bolognese sauce, you can put ketchup, which is tomato sauce, of course. You can put anything you like.
Actually, I like it. I couldn't wait. Wow. I really couldn't wait.
Yeah, I like to put a little bit of extra sauce on mine.
That'd be nice, tasty.
Oh, it's nice flavour. There here comes the salami. This salami is good because it's nice and big and it wraps right around in nice big pieces. Sometimes you get small salami, you can't do that, but I like this salami because it's like a little pocket. Put everything inside the pocket.
It's really good.
Then we're going to add some olives. Normally we use black olives, but green olives is quite fine. Doesn't matter. Your filling is whatever you feel like. Whatever you got in the cupboard. Just put whatever you want.
I love it. No matter what olives, I love it.
We're going to throw in a bit of tomato as well. You like my nice cutting there?
Wow, you look at that tomato. You look like something else. Wow, nice. Oh, that's got to be delicious.
Try and put an even layer. See, what I'm doing there is I'm putting a piece either end and then try and cut a little piece through in the middle. So every bite gets a bit of everything.
You know, honey, I really, really couldn't wait. This is gonna be nice. Now we have a little while not have this to eat.
It's a very simple food, very lovely. You know, a bit of salt and pepper. Always your tomatoes need a bit of salt and pepper. If you don't put the salt and pepper in tomatoes, they just don't taste the same. Cheese, okay, we've got a bit of Kraft cheese there, just a mild cheese. And we're going to put two cheeses on today. We're going to have the Kraft mild cheese on the bottom. And we're also going to do a little trick, something I like to do. We're going to put a little bit of olive oil, just to give it that little kick.
Wow. I think you today is doing something special, isn't it?
Yes. Now we're going to put our mozzarella on. And I like plenty of mozzarella, so does my wife. Pour it on thick, doesn't matter.
Wow, that's really, I really could wait.
A bit of foil. Now, little trick with your foil. Put your hand in the middle. That's it. Push all the edges in.
Yeah, that's a smart way
Then
to
fold
do
the
it.
corners.
Wow.
I like I can do this really fast too.
Yeah, that's actually very
That's
lovely.
it. That's basically it. Then we're going to throw it in the oven.
Yay!
Got the oven set to about 200 degrees. I love this little oven. We've had it for years. It still goes well. Look at that. Oh, I'm feeling hungry already.
Whoa! Come on.
And there we go. We hope you enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed our little session here. So don't forget to subscribe. And what should they do, Nita?
Thumbs up.
Thank you very much, everybody. Catch us all later. Bye-bye.
Bye bye.